Every ounce of gold begins its journey deep within the earth.
Here, scale and patience define extraction.
Rock is broken, not rushed. Each load carries hidden value.
Human judgment guides heavy machines.
Precision begins before force. Paths are carved for controlled power.
Energy waits in silence.
Stone yields to calculation. After force comes evaluation. Material begins its first movement. Gravity starts the journey forward. Flow replaces stillness. Data guides every next step. Extraction is measured in numbers.
Continuity relies on people.
The mine releases its yield.
Gold leaves the earth to begin transformation. This is where raw earth meets engineered precision. Control begins before entry.
Every arrival is verified.
Data confirms the load.
Access is granted.
The factory breathes continuously. Material never stands still. The first transformation awaits.
Control protects both machine and worker.
Human presence anchors automation. Observation ensures balance.
Inside, power dominates.
Rock meets resistance. Gravity and force align. Size is reduced with intent. The path narrows forward. Infrastructure guides the flow. The factory closes around the material. Reduction continues with control. Even flow ensures accuracy. Size defines the next step. Nothing is wasted. The usable fraction advances. Dust gives way to clarity. Impurities are stripped away. Resources are reclaimed. Balance is maintained.
Cleanliness improves separation.
Human eyes still matter. Unwanted elements are extracted. Weight begins to decide. Gold responds to gravity. The unwanted departs. Value grows denser. Material advances in liquid form. Preparation is complete. Now, refinement truly begins. Steel and stone collide by design. Material enters controlled chaos. Size is reduced to release value. Transformation becomes measurable. Separation sharpens precision. Physics chooses efficiency. Only the finest advance.
Nothing escapes optimization.
Chemistry prepares to act. Balance is essential. Motion enables reaction. Measured chemistry unlocks gold. Gold shifts from solid to solution. Capture becomes the goal. Carbon holds what matters. Value is now contained. Gold prepares for final release. Recovery begins by reversing capture. Positioning enables precision.
Gold is prepared for release.
Heat and chemistry separate bonds. Gold leaves the carbon.
Electricity now takes control.
Metal obeys current.
invisible growth becomes real.
Nothing is discarded. Recovery becomes visible. Moisture is removed. Material is gathered carefully. Material is carefully. Heat prepares the melt.
Concentration reaches its peak.
Transformation becomes final. Solid becomes fluid. Purity is refined further.
Only gold remains. Automation replaces uncertainty.
Precision defines value. Motion maintains control. Temperature is carefully reduced.
Data governs cooling.
Form replaces fluid. Consistency is engineered. Identity comes next. Traceability is permanent. Accuracy is verified. Machines make no assumptions. Everything is connected. Safety never sleeps. Redundancy protects value. Flow is unified. Perfection demands refinement. The final standard is applied. The process advances. Perfection is examined closely. Refinement continues quietly. Nothing unwanted remains. Trust is built on numbers.
Identity is locked.
Human judgment remains essential.
Finish defines presentation. Stability is ensured.
Protection begins early.
Consistency is maintained.
Order is preserved.
Verification awaits.
Security remains constant.
Proof replaces assumption.
Verification begins.
Standards are enforced. Purity is never assumed. Science confirms composition. Weight and volume tell the truth.
What's inside must match the outside.
Flaws are not tolerated. Details matter.
Identity is verified again.
Trust is built on checks.
Evidence is extracted.
The oldest test still speaks.
Heat reveals truth.
Numbers settle doubt.
Standards are met.
Responsibility is signed.
Gold is cleared to move on.
The process nears completion.
Verification is complete.
Gold prepares to leave control. The final stage begins under strict control.
Protection preserves value. Integrity is secured. Information travels with the metal. Strength surrounds worth.
Security is layered.
Movement becomes collective.
Storage is as controlled as production.
Value waits in silence.
Records complete the process.
The journey continues. Release is authorized.
Transfer is imminent.
Responsibility is acknowledged. Gold leaves the facility.
And this is how modern factories produce gold from start to finish.
Precision never rests.
Subscribe for more real factory breakdowns.